pizza. Okay.
Yeah.
4 pieces have been cut. Okay. Now, if one piece is eaten, then how much is left?
Still 3/4 is left.
3 pieces are left. And if
Yes,
in
ma'am.
fraction, you can say the total were 4th and 3 has been eaten. 3 have been eaten. It means
No.
the fraction would be 3/4.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, you told that one is eaten and you told to find the remainder.
Yeah, one is eaten. The left are 3. Left are 3 and total were 4. Okay.
3
So
by
this
4.
3/4 will represent a fraction of the left of the pieces. Okay. Now see, what is the general form of a fraction?
Ma'am, actually, the denominator should not be equal to 0. For example,
Numerator by denominator, and denominator should not be 0. If denominator would be 0,
and
then
if the
what?
if numerator is 0, nothing will happen, but the denominator should not be the 0.
If denominator will be 0, then what will happen?
Not a fraction.
Yeah, it will not be defined, because everything is if everywhere, if in denominator, if it is 0, it will reach to infinitive.
Only one number, natural
Okay.
or whole.
Yeah. So now, type of fraction. There are few types of fraction. Okay, we'll see them one by one. First one is the proper fraction. What do you mean by a proper fraction?
And like the numerator will be less and
One by
denominator.
one by one I will ask. Okay. Okay, who is telling?
Ma'am, we raise hand, ma'am. We raise hand.
Yeah, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Shiv Pranav, tell me. Proper fraction.
Denominator is bigger than the numerator.
Okay. When denominator is bigger than or smaller than?
Ma'am, bigger than.
Bigger than the numerator. Here 3/4. Which one is bigger?
Ma'am, denominator 4.
It means it shows a proper fraction. Okay. Now see, from the picture also you can understand that three pieces are left and total are 4. Total are 4. Okay, 3/4 would be a fraction and it will represent a proper fraction. Okay. Now second one is the improper fraction. What is the improper fraction?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I tell?
Aisha.
Ma'am, I cannot see a screen actually.
Improper fraction means the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Yeah. So here in 2 pizza, how many pieces are left?
Ma'am, 2.
How many pieces? Pieces, not pizza.
Wait, ma'am, let me see the screen.
Screen is not visible.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, the screen is visible.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, 1 is left.
1 is total 7 pieces are left. Okay. And 4 pieces are there in 1 pizza. So 7/4. This fraction is improper fraction. Okay. Because here numerator is more. Now mixed fraction. What do you mean by a mixed fraction? Who will tell? Yeah, Gohit. Gohit, tell me fast. Gohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, a mixed fraction is a number. Which is like more than a whole. Mixed fraction is a fraction that's more than a whole.
More than?
A whole.
A whole. Or it is a mixture of?
Ma'am, it's a mixture of both numerical numbers and fractions.
Yeah, very good. Okay. So mixed fraction means the name itself tell us that mix means mixture. Mixture of something. Mixture of what? Mixture of whole number and a fraction. Okay. Now like fraction. What is a like fraction?
Ma'am, like the right fraction, the fraction same.
Who is telling? No. Ishan. Ishan. Like fraction. If the fraction.
Ma'am, I cannot see a screen.
What happened? Everyone can see.
Ma'am, can I rejoin?
Yeah, you rejoin. Like fraction or yeah, Ritvik, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. The fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction.
Yeah. So 2 by 6 is equal to 1
1
by
by 6.
2 by 6 equal to.
No,
Is
it's
2 by
not
6
equal
equal?
to, but the denominator is equal.
Denominator is equal. So they are not equal fraction. They are like fraction.
Like fraction.
Okay. They are like fraction. Unlike fraction.
Ma'am, Shivaprana, can I?
No. You have already told. Chaitanya, tell me.
Ma'am, equivalent fractions, right?
This unlike fraction.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, unlike fractions are the fractions whose denominators are different. For example, 1 by 2.
Yeah.
And 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, 3 by 9, 7 by 9.
Yeah.
I mean
Okay.
7
Okay.
by 12.
Very good. Whose denominator is different. Equivalent fraction. Ishan. It seems Ishan have joined and he went somewhere. Ishan, you are absent.
Ma'am, it's not connected to the audio, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now you can tell, na? Ishan, tell me what is the equivalent fraction. Ishan, audio is not connected, video is not connected. What happened?
I mean, she can't hear.
You
Ma'am,
can't
you
hear
just
also.
joined, ma'am. Ma'am, you
Just-
just joined. It might take time to load.
Okay, take your time. Equivalent fraction. Okay, who will tell me? Aisha.
Yes, ma'am. Equivalent. One minute, ma'am.
Jananda Vardhan. Now can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Equivalent fraction.
Yes, ma'am. Equivalent
ma'am.
fraction proportional to each other are called equivalent fractions.
Yeah.
Like 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and
And
like
2
4
by
by
3.
5, 4 by 5.
4 by 5 is equivalent to 1 by 2.
No, ma'am.
Equivalent means their value should be equal. Their value should be equal. Now you are telling 4 by 5. Is that
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to 1 by 2?
Ma'am, like once can you explain actually
You are
this?
not supposed to tell anything. Whatever coming in your mouth, don't take it out.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah.
Ma'am, equivalent fraction means like two or more fractions that are all equal.
All are equal. Correct. Okay. So there may be more equivalent fraction. Okay. Tell me the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Tell me. Please keep your video on. I will mark you as a absent. Okay. Now I won't ask you anymore. Equivalent fraction of 1 by 2.
Ma'am, 2 by 4.
2 by 4 or
Ma'am, 4 by 8.
Ma'am, 3 by 6.
Ma'am, 2 by 4,
4
4
by
by
8
8.
or
Ma'am, 3 by 6.
3 by 6 or
4 by 8 and 6 by
like
4
5 by 10, 5 by 10,
Means
5 by 10.
how many equivalent fraction we can write?
Ma'am, whichever is
And we can
divisible
write
with the
infinite number
number.
of Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we can write
Ma'am,
infinity.
like 2 is divisible. Ma'am, like 2 is divisible like for even numbers. Like we can go on.
Ma'am, we should use the divisibility rules to see, ma'am, that.
What? Tell me one by one.
Ma'am, we have to see the divisibility rules. Like
I
the
am just
numbers are
asking
divisible.
how many numbers will exist. How many number will be equivalent to 1 by 2?
Ma'am, all the even numbers
Ma'am,
can
1 by
adjust.
2.
Not even numbers.
2 by
How
4,
many even
3 by
numbers
4.
exist? Infinite even numbers are exist. Okay.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
can say there will be infinite equivalent fraction of this
Yes,
term
ma'am.
1 by 2. Okay. Now convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction.
Yes,
How-
ma'am. Can I say?
Wait.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
there is a mixed fraction, 1, how will you read this mixed fraction?
Ma'am, 1 3 by 4.
1 3 by 4. Okay. How will you convert this mixed fraction
Ma'am,
into
1 multiplied by 4 plus 3.
1 multiplied by?
Ma'am, 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4.
4.
4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7
Seven.
by 4.
7 by 4. So is this a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how will you convert any improper fraction into mixed fraction?
Ma'am, first we should divide. it.
The reverse operation of this.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
reverse operation of this thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, quotient will be the whole number.
Just divide them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First step is just divide them. The 7 is dividend, 4 is divisor. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So divide 7 by 4. It will it will be 4. Okay. Now the quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 3. So you can write mixed fraction as the whole number will represent the
Yes, ma'am.
quotient,
Quotient.
and the numerator will represent
4 is divisor. 3 is remainder.
3 is remainder, and 4 is divisor. Okay. So in this way you can convert any improper fraction into mixed fraction. QRD. Okay. QRD. Quotient, remainder divided by divisor. Okay. Now quotient, remainder by divisor. Okay. Okay. I'm giving you an example. Convert this 10 by 3 into mixed fraction. Convert it fast. Convert, do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Jet,
3 1 by 3. Yes, ma'am.
3 1 by 3, ma'am.
do it. 10 by 3 into mixed fraction.
Ma'am, 3 1 by 3.
3 1 by 3.
3 1 by 3. Jait, are you not doing?
I'm doing.
Yeah, do it. 10 by 3 will be 3 into 1 by 3. Okay. Now convert this into improper fraction.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm doing.
Convert this fraction into improper fraction. Where is Ritvik?
Ma'am, 117 by 11.
Ma'am, 117 by 11.
117 by 11.
Ma'am, 117 by 11.
117 by 11.
11. Correct. Now see. How will you find the equivalent fraction?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, like we should do into 2, ma'am. 1 by 2 multiplied by
Multiply the same number with the numerator as well as denominator. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not supposed to allow to multiply with two different number. Okay. With two different, the number should be same in the numerator as well as denominator. Okay. Now see one thing. When this mixed fraction will be converted into improper fraction. Okay. When you will convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction, it will always be an improper fraction. Okay. It will always be an improper fraction. Okay. Now come to the next part. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Find it.
okay, ma'am.
Ritvik, what happened?
Ma'am, can I say 3 by 5?
Can I
Yeah.
Shiva Pranav? Ma'am, can I?
On your
Ma'am,
video.
Jayit. Ma'am, Jayit.
Yeah. Tell
Shiva
me.
Pranav.
Yes, ma'am. Can I say?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. 6 by 10. 9 by 15.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 12 by 20.
Okay.
Ma'am, 15 by 25.
9 by?
Ma'am, 9 by 15.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. 12 by 20.
Okay.
15 by 25.
Okay.
Ma'am, 18 by 30.
Okay. Very good. Okay, or
Okay.
there may exist many more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, infinite number.
Ma'am, like they can extend.
They can extend up to infinitive.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now solve this question. Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise. Okay. Okay, what is the meaning of this of? If something is given that some part of this, it is of
Ma'am, like
means
subtracting.
multiplication.
Okay.
How
Of means
much is subtraction? If it
yes.
is given how much her work has done by him, then you have to subtract the thing. Okay, if it is given part of, this of means multiplication. Later I will tell you. For solve this question, Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise, while Seema solved 4 by 5 of it. Who solved lesser part? Yeah, tell me. First find out the exercise solved by Ramesh.
Into
Okay, no need to actually do anything. Just tell me who solved the lesser part. Which one is lesser?
ma'am,
Which one is
Ramesh.
less?
Ramesh.
Ramesh is lesser than
Ramesh,
Seema.
2 by 7 is less or 4 by 5 is
solved,
less?
2 by 7 is less, ma'am.
Cross multiplication.
How you can tell? Cross multiplication? No.
No,
Cross
cross
multiplication. Ma'am, we can do cross multiplication and LCM also.
How would you do cross multiplication?
Ma'am, 2 into 5, which is 2 into 5, which is 10.
10.
7 into 4, which is 28. So
Yeah.
28 will be the Seema side,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
10 will be the Ramesh side.
both
So
are correct.
Ramesh just solved.
But cross multiplication, some of you are not aware, I think. They know only LCM method. Correct?
Ma'am, we learn Vedic maths.
Okay. So in Vedic maths, it has been told.
Yes, ma'am. We already completed also class.
Okay. So this Vedic maths is working wonderful. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you taking interest?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very interesting.
Now completed. First, Brahman sir was there, ma'am. That sir would do tell nicely, sir.
Okay. And how I am teaching?
Nice.
Nice, very nice, ma'am.
Nice. Are you taking
ma'am.
interest or not? That's it.
Yes, ma'am. Interesting.
Interesting. Okay. 2 by 7, 4 by 5. Okay. So there are two methods. Either you multiply cross multiplication or you take LCM.
LCM.
I think if it comes in like objective type question, you can verify through cross multiplication. It is quick. You know? It works fast. So 10, 28. So 10 correspond to 2 by 7 and 28 correspond to 4 by 5. Which number is lesser? 10 is lesser. So 2 by 7 will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
10
by
is
7
lesser and Ramesh is
lesser.
Less, ma'am.
Correct. Now next question. If Samira purchased this much kg of apple and this much kg of orange, what is the total weight of fruit purchased? Total weight, total.
Ma'am, we should add, ma'am.
Total means add. Yeah. So add these mixed fraction. First convert this into improper fraction.
Ma'am, 26, sir.
26?
Yes, ma'am.
Not 26, ma'am.
No. It
Ma'am,
would
33.
be in
Ma'am, 33 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, she purchased 33 by 4 kgs of oranges
Yes,
in
ma'am. 33 by 4.
improper fraction.
33.
33
Yes,
by
ma'am.
4.
33 by
Okay,
4,
okay.
which can be converted into a mixed fraction. Which is 8, 32. So
Yeah.
the Q R by D, we can use that property,
Yeah.
and it will be 8 1 by 4.
Very good. Okay. So Ritvik told the final answer. It would be in mixed fraction because here
Ma'am, 8 1 by 4.
mixed
And because
fraction.
it is an unlike fraction and all, sorry, it was an improper fraction, and
Yeah.
also
Because
the question
the question
was given in
is given in an improper fraction, so the answer will also be in improper fraction.
improper fraction, ma'am. But sometimes it will not be like few questions similar.
Okay, that will depend upon the option.
Yes.
Okay. Now see, a rectangular sheet of paper of this much length and the width is this much, find its perimeter. What is the formula of perimeter?
Ma'am, formula of perimeter 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B.
This is a rectangular. Its perimeter would be
Ma'am, can you say the answer, ma'am? Shiva Pranav?
Ma'am, rectangle 2 into L plus
46
B.
1 by 3, ma'am. Answer.
43. Gohit,
Ma'am, 43 1 by 6. 1 by
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
what is your answer?
Ma'am, Shiva Pranav?
Not Gohit.
Not you.
No, ma'am, I'm actually thinking.
46
No,
1 by
maths is not about thinking. It's about doing.
Okay, ma'am. I'm trying, ma'am. I'll solve
Don't
it.
think too much. Okay.
Ma'am, Shiva Pranav's answer 46 1 by 3.
Okay. Shiva Pranav is getting 46,
1 by 3, ma'am.
1 by 3. And Aisha.
Ma'am, I'm still doing 1 minute.
Okay, do it fast. Dear. Ritvik. Now Ritvik went slow.
Doing, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will do what I will do,
Ma'am,
students.
it's not 46 1 by 3, ma'am.
Okay, this
Ma'am,
is a wrong. Check it. This is wrong.
Ma'am, it is.
No, no, it is wrong.
No, it is wrong.
Check it.
Ma'am, it is 41 centimeters.
41 centimeter.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
41 centimeters.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm doing it.
Yeah, do it. Again, recheck it. Gohit
Ma'am,
will
it
tell.
is, ma'am, 46.
Gohit will tell. At the end of this class, I will take
53,
your attendance.
ma'am, 53 is the answer. 53.
53. Okay. So, 3 people having 3 answer.
I'm 1 minute, ma'am. Almost done.
Chaitanya. Not interested?
Ma'am,
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Jayananda Vardhan.
Ma'am, I didn't understood actually.
You didn't, you are doing some other work?
No, ma'am, I'm trying that only. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm trying that
Put the
only.
value of A and B.
Ma'am, like
Ma'am, I got
it as-
53.
53.
Ma'am, it's 46 1 by 3 only, ma'am. I've checked.
Ma'am,
Okay,
actually,
okay.
that is in 12 1 by 2 is 25 by 2.
Okay, okay. Let's solve it.
Yes, ma'am.
See. It has given. Wait. I'm rubbing this portion. I'm starting from. See. This is a rectangle.
Ma'am, I actually got 45 by 2. 45 by 2.
Okay, everyone is getting different answer. So let me to solve it. The length is 12 into 1 by 12
Yes,
1
ma'am.
by
That
2.
is 25.
That
ma'am,
is 25
ma'am,
by
25 by 2.
2. And this
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
is
Ma'am, 32 by
Ma'am,
3.
32 by
32 by 3. Now what you have to do?
Ma'am, sorry.
Multiply 2. The perimeter formula is 2 into length plus width. Length is 25 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Width is 32 by 3. Just
Yes,
take LCM.
to B now, ma'am. How you got W?
Okay.
Then, ma'am,
Children.
ma'am, when we take the LCM, 22
LCM
by...
would be 6.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
LCM would be 6.
Yes, ma'am. 6.
Now divide 2 by 6.
Ma'am,
And
so
the
it will come
answer
as
would be 3
Ma'am.
and 2.
Ma'am, it will be 75 by 6 plus
Yeah,
64 by 6.
75 by 6.
Wait.
Ma'am, 75 by 6 plus 64 by
75 plus divide this.
139 by 3 is equal to which is 159.
Ritvik. Wait.
Ma'am,
Wait. This divide 3 by 6. You will get 2. Now multiply this 32 into 2. 64. Okay. Now.
64.
Okay. 75 plus
Ma'am,
64 would be.
ma'am, 120.
Ma'am, 139 divided by 6.
75 plus 64. 9.
Ma'am, 139.
139 divided by 6.
139
Okay.
by 6.
Now
Ma'am,
can you cut this 6 by 2 table? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 3.
So 139 by 3.
139 by 3.
Okay.
Ma'am, again we can get it down, I think, right?
Yeah. Now again convert this into mixed fraction. Divide 139 by 3.
No, ma'am, can't we do it into
Ma'am,
simpler
what is
form?
it 1 by 3, ma'am? Shiva Pranav.
Yeah.
46
Convert it
Oh,
into
yes,
mixed
ma'am.
fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
40.
Ma'am, like I wrote
46.
Ma'am, I wrote 159, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, no need to. Yeah. Okay, so we are getting quotient 46 divisor.
Point 46 point.
Sorry, remainder is 1.
1/3. 1/3.
1/3. 46 1 by 3.
Correct, ma'am.
This is your answer. Okay, who is correct?
My answer also was this, ma'am. Aisha
Yeah.
Fatima.
Say loudly, I am correct.
Aisha
Say loudly.
Fatima, ma'am. Aisha Fatima and Shiva Pranav.
Say it loudly,
Yes,
I am correct.
Ma'am,
I am correct.
Shiva Pranav.
Yes. Say yes, I can do this.
Yes.
Okay. Now next, reciprocal of a fraction. Okay. How will
Ma'am,
you
nothing but the second side we should reverse it again.
take second side?
Ma'am, like there are LHS and RHS, right?
Here no LHS and RHS.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Only
like
fraction is given 3 by 4.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like the second side is there, right?
Yeah.
Second thing will always change, ma'am.
Will always change. Or you can say,
Yes, ma'am.
you can
Not
directly say
second side,
that
it is a RHS.
you can say that
That's what I'm saying.
for finding the reciprocal of this fraction, just
Yes, ma'am.
flip, just
Yes,
flip,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
flip the numerator with
4
the
by 3.
denominator. Okay.
4 by 3.
Just flip the numerator by denominator.
Yes, ma'am.
It would be 4 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will be the reciprocal of 8 by 9?
Ma'am, 8 by 9, 9 by 8.
9 by 8.
9
Ma'am,
by
9
8.
by 8.
9 by
Okay.
8.
What would be the reciprocal of 0 by 1?
Ma'am,
1 by
1 by
0.
0. 1 by 0.
1 by 0.
1 by 0.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
So that's
zero
not
only.
fraction.
One is the answer.
You all are wrong. All are wrong.
One is the answer,
Zero by
ma'am.
one.
Zero.
No. Wrong.
Ma'am,
One
the
by
answer
one.
is 0 by
Answer is 1 by 1.
Wrong. You all are wrong.
1 by 1.
Ma'am, the answer is 0 by 1 only.
No. I'm
Zero,
not,
zero.
not expecting the answer from
Ma'am,
anyone.
0. Ma'am, 0.
Correct. No, incorrect.
1 by 1.
No.
Ma'am, 1 by 1.
Ma'am,
No.
no, ma'am. The answer is 0 by 1.
Aisha, how could be it 1 by 1?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the answer is 0.
Ma'am, is it 1 by 8? 1 by 8?
It will be surprise if you will tell the answer.
1
Ma'am,
by
0 by
8.
1.
Ma'am, 1 by 8. 1
No.
by 8.
No.
Ma'am, the answer is 0 by
I am
1
giving you
because-
option. I'm giving you option.
Yes, ma'am.
Option A is 1 by 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Option B is 1 by 1. Option
Yes,
C is 0. Option D is not defined.
Ma'am, not defined.
Not defined. Not
Yes,
defined.
yes.
Fine. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
not defined.
Now see, how will you multiply fraction? Okay, if a whole number 2, I say multiply this whole number by 3 by 4. How will you
Yes,
multiply?
ma'am. Ma'am, 2 by 1. Ma'am, first we'll take it as 2 by 1.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 2 cut it by 4. Ma'am,
No, don't cut anything. Just tell me how
Okay,
will
ma'am.
you perform
6
the
by 4. 6 by
multiplication?
4. 6 by
6 by
4.
4. Just multiply the numerator parts and
Yes, ma'am.
denominators part.
Ma'am, when we get
Denominator
the
parts.
answer, like when we can again simplify it, again we can
Yeah.
simplify it.
You can
Ma'am, so
simplify
it will be
it.
3 by 2. 3 by 2.
Yeah.
Answer is 3 by 2.
But how will you multiply? The numerator with numerator and denominator with
Yes, ma'am.
denominator.
Denominator.
Okay. See, okay. Now see, what is the meaning of off? If I say 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 of 24, it will be
Multiplication.
okay. So 1 by 2 of 24 would be, what will be the final answer? 12. If I say 1 by 8 of 16, one by 8 of 16,
Ma'am, 1 by 8
by
of
8.
16, ma'am.
I think. One only.
1 by 8
ma'am.
of 16.
Ma'am, 2 by 1, ma'am.
Yeah, correct.
Ma'am,
Multiply
exactly
this.
2, ma'am.
This
2, ma'am.
off means multiply. 1
Ma'am,
by
it's
8
2,
into
ma'am. The answer
16.
is 2.
It would be 2.
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
you can write 16 by 8. Then it can be simplified as 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Or 2 by 1. Both are
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
Okay. Now see. In class, next question. In a class 40 students, 1/5 of the total students like English, 2/5 of total student like mathematics, and the remaining like study science. Remaining like to study science. So how many students like
Ma'am,
English?
2 by 5. 2 by 5. Ma'am, 1 by 5 English, 2 by 5 mathematics.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 2 by 5 science.
2 by 5 science. How?
Science.
How?
Simple, ma'am. Like denominator is same. First we'll add it 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5.
Yeah.
1 by
Actually,
5.
you tell
So
me the
it's 3 by
concept
5.
first. Jait,
ma'am.
first
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me the concept. What will be the concept here, which we can apply in these type of questions?
Ma'am,
Adding.
ma'am, addition.
24 members of students like
First,
science.
listen. What
Ma'am,
is the
subtraction, I think.
no addition subtraction? Don't say anything.
Ma'am, 24 members like the science, ma'am.
No, ma'am, this is proper fraction.
This is proper fraction, I know, but how will you solve? What will be the concept? What is being asked here in first question? How many students like to study English?
Ma'am, 1 by 5.
So tell me the number of students who like English.
Yes, ma'am.
If
Number of
fraction
students.
has been given, how will
Okay,
you
we should-
convert the fraction into a proper number?
Ma'am, we should convert into a number.
Yeah, just multiply the
Yes,
total
ma'am.
number into fraction.
Ma'am, then it will be it is ma'am 8 by 1. 8. 8 is the answer. 8 students like English.
Ma'am,
No,
student
ma'am,
like-
2 students, I think.
No.
8 students.
8 is correct because how many like English?
8 divided by 5. 8 divided by 5 is
English is liked by
8 students.
1/5 of 40 students.
Students.
This off
Yes,
means
ma'am.
multiplication.
Multiplication.
Ma'am,
Okay.
multiplication.
5 divided by 40.
40
take
divided
40
by
by
5 or
Ma'am,
you
8.
can cut it by
Eight.
you will get
Ma'am,
8.
maths liked by 16 students.
Wait.
Science
I will
liked by
ask.
16.
I will ask. Okay. How many students like to study maths? Go
Ma'am,
ahead.
16.
Your thinking is done.
No, ma'am, I'm solving it.
Okay.
Tell how many members like math. Ma'am, can I tell how many members like math?
Who is he?
I'm Ritvik. Ma'am,
Yeah,
Ritvik.
Ritvik, tell me.
Ma'am, 2 by 5 into 40. So we can simplify 40. 40 by 5 and it
Yeah.
will be 8. So 2 into 8 will be 16. So
Yeah.
the answer
Very
is
good.
Ma'am, like
Very
how
good.
I did mean, ma'am,
Wait,
like,
one by one.
Ma'am, can I say?
Let
Ma'am,
Ritvik to
first-
complete. Let Ritvik to
Yes,
complete.
ma'am.
Yeah, Ritvik. What would be the
Ma'am, so
final
the number
answer?
of students like-
16.
Ma'am, it would be 16.
16. Okay.
the
Ma'am,
number of
Yes, ma'am,
Can I
even I
say
got
how I did?
16.
Ma'am, can I say how I did?
talking here and,
Very good.
Ma'am, I
can
did the
say-
same way, ma'am, even I got 16.
It's a problem, ma'am, because when one is speaking,
Kunal.
another is
Kunal,
like, we can't
Kunal. Where are you?
Ma'am, can I say how I got?
Kunal will tell me the third part.
Ma'am, like for the first one, I
Ritvik,
Are you Kunal?
Ritvik, now your turn is over. Please be on
Ma'am,
mute.
no, ma'am, like when I am talking, Jay is coming, and when Kunal is talking, Jay is coming. I'm not understanding anything.
Now you keep your mouth close.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Kunal, tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, Kunal.
Hello?
Yeah,
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
check your
Uh,
connection.
Ma'am, low system is also perfect.
Kunal, how will you solve the third part?
Ma'am, I think he have an internet problem.
Hello?
Okay. Ishan, Chaitanya.
Yes.
Yeah. Chaitanya, tell me.
Ma'am, what fraction of students like to study science, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Once can you go up a little? Yeah. Ma'am, ma'am, 1/5 of the students like to study English and 2/5 like to study mathematics. Remaining students like to study science. So
Okay.
to find the remaining students, we
Yeah.
have to add both 1 by 5 and 2 by 5,
Okay.
which makes 3 by 5,
Okay.
and subtract it from the total 5 by 5. So if we do that, we'll get 2 by 5. So we have already found the value for 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is 16. So 16 students from the class like science.
Who like science? Or in the easy way, you can also do total number of students are 40 and the number of students who like English is 8, who like mathematics. So add these two, 16 plus 8 and subtract from the total, you will get the number of students who like the science.
Ma'am, like, can I say how I got the answer?
So there may be two possibility. Either you have done from this method or the way
Ma'am, like simply first 1 is equal to 8 means 8 into 2 is 16.
1
Ma'am, like 1 is equal to 8, right? 1.
equal to 8.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, in this question, right? 1 is equal to 8, right?
No, no, no. Don't say this. This statement is wrong. 1 equal to 8. 1 cannot be equal to 8. Okay. So this statement is wrong. So either you can solve by this directly add the number of students in these two subjects and subtract from the total number of students. Okay. Or you can do by a fraction calculation also. 1 by 5th, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. They like English plus mathematics. It means 3 by 5 like English plus mathematics. So science 1 minus 3 by 5. It is 2 by 5 will like the science. Okay. Now 2 by 5 of total. Total are 40 students. So 2 by 5 of 40.
8.
Okay. The 16 students like science. Okay. Now it is been asked that a fraction of total student. Okay. It is not been asked that number of students. It has been asked that what is the fraction of total number of students. So to convert this into fraction, again, what you have to do, there are total number of students are 40. In in this number 16 like science. So this would be a fraction of students who like science. Okay, after solving this you will get 8 by 20, or you can say 4 by 10, or you can say 2 by 5. Okay, anyway you can do. Clear for everyone? Okay, now come to the next question. Yeah, we'll do only one. Okay, how will you convert this picture into a mixed fraction? How will you convert? Shiva Pranav, do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm eating, ma'am. So can I switch off my video?
Eating is not allowed in between the class.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am. But
Okay, this is not allowed. If you are feeling hungry before the class, you should take some light snacks. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
and keep your water bottle with you, so that if you feel hungry you can drink water like me.
Ma'am, I got the answer for it is 10 by 5.
10 by 5 in a mixed
Yes, ma'am.
fraction. In a mixed fraction.
Yes, ma'am. In a mixed fraction only I got. Ma'am,
Ritvik,
not like 10 by 5. It's 10 by 5.
10 by 5. If something
ma'am.
is 0 by 5, it means the whole thing is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are getting 0.
Yes, ma'am.
No. This is the shaded, or
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
say colored portion. Okay. How will you represent this picture into a mixed fraction? How will you represent? I have shown you that pizza picture. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you recall the things from that picture. Ritvik would tell me.
Ma'am,
Ritvik,
I think the answer is 3 into 1 by 4.
no.
3 1 by 4.
3?
3 1 by 4.
No, incorrect. Okay, I will tell you. See, how many are total parts are there in first circle? See, 1,
Ma'am,
2,
5.
3, 4, 5. Okay.
5.
So first
5.
convert this circle into a fraction. There are total number of parts are 5 and 1 is shaded. Okay. Here the same thing. The total number of parts are 5 and 1 is shaded. Okay. So you have converted this circle into proper fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have done we have to write one fraction for both of the circle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 2 by
So
5.
this will be 2 1 by 5. Okay. 2 1 by 5. Okay. Clear? Okay. So now tell me for this picture. Pranav,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you busy in some other work?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, give answer for this. Convert this picture into mixed fraction.
Ma'am, can I say Jayit?
Yeah.
Ma'am, the answer I got is 1/3.
Ma'am, 3/4. Shivaprana.
3 1/4, correct.
Even I got 3 1/4.
3 1/4, correct. Correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 3/1.
Okay, it is done. Now come to the next part.
Ma'am, can we play a quiz?
Play.
Yes, ma'am, quiz.
I'm not getting how to play quiz.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Actually, we'll send the quiz, ma'am. Everyone should join, and we have to they'll
Yes,
give
ma'am.
random questions. You have to answer it.
Yes, ma'am.
But the
That's right.
And
chapter.
ma'am, you have to choose the topic. In maths, like fraction and
Give one
decimal.
question, ma'am. We should answer for that.
Okay, first let me to finish this
ma'am.
chapter, then
Yeah.
only I can ask. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
some picture are given below. Tell which of them shows 2 1/4. Okay. Which of the picture shows 3 1/5? A,
3
B.
1/5.
Yeah. Give your answer in A, B, C.
Ma'am, C.
3 1/5.
Ma'am, option C, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Correct.
3 1/5. C
Yes,
is
ma'am.
correct.
Yes, ma'am.
C is the correct option.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
See.
Okay. So you practice these type of questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply and reduce the lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Okay, we will do the first one. Multiply. First multiply it. How will you multiply 7 into 3/5? You will get 21/5. Okay. Now reduce it into the lowest form. Lowest
Ma'am,
form.
21/5.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Its lowest
4/5, ma'am. 4/5.
its lowest form will be, it is already in the lowest form. Okay.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
cannot reduce it further. Now convert it into a mixed fraction. So
Ma'am,
mixed
4
Ma'am,
1/5.
it will be.
Ma'am, 4 1/5.
4 1/5. Very good. 4 1/5. Okay. If I am going fast, please tell me, children. Is
No,
it
ma'am,
correct?
you're going slowly.
Is it
No,
correct
ma'am.
speed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, sometimes you're fast.
Because we are having very less time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In two lectures, we have to finish one chapter revision at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle. Okay. That contained 5 liters of water. Water was 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2/5 of water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So you have to tell how much water did Vidya drink.
Ma'am, 2
Ma'am, can
liters.
you say the answer, ma'am? Shivaprana, I know something.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yes.
2 liters. 2
Ma'am,
liters.
3/5 is the answer, ma'am. 3/5.
3/5, no. Incorrect.
Ma'am,
Wrong.
2 liters. Simple. 2 liters.
Vidya drink.
2 liters.
Vidya is drinking 2/5 of
2/5 liters, ma'am.
2/5 of 5. It
Ma'am,
means
say
2/5 into 5. It means 5 would be
Ma'am, 10/5.
2 liters,
2
ma'am. 2
liter.
liters.
2
Ma'am,
liter.
first only I
Ma'am,
said it.
2
2 liters.
liters.
Ma'am,
Okay.
after second one answer is 3/5. Sorry.
No,
No,
wait.
it's third
Wait,
one
wait,
is
wait.
3 liters. Second one
Wait.
is 3 liters.
Second is
3 liters.
3
5
liters.
liters.
But you all are wrong. What is being asked?
Ma'am, Pratap consumed the remaining water means Vidya drank 2 liters. The remaining liters are 3 liters.
3
so he
liters.
consumed all 3 liters. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
correct. But it is not been asked that how much water is consumed by Pratap in liters.
Ma'am,
It has been
yes,
asked
ma'am.
that
3/5. 3/5.
find out the fraction.
3/5.
Fraction would be 3/5.
5 liters.
3 liter is consumed and total were 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Total was 5. So 3/5
Yes, ma'am.
fraction of
He
total
consumed.
quantity Pratap consumed.
Consumed.
Okay. Now, next. How to multiply fraction with another fraction? Already know.
Yes, ma'am.
We have already done. Now, value of the product of the fraction. Okay, come. This is I think this will not okay. If I multiply 2 by 5 and 4 by 9, what I will get?
Ma'am, like
8 by
8 by
45.
45. 8 by 45.
Now you tell me, apply your Vedic maths or any type of maths. Does this 8 by 45 will be greater than 2 by 5, or it will be greater than 4 by 9, or it will be less than 2 by 5, or it will be less than 4 by 9? What will be the
Ma'am, we haven't gone that far in the Vedic.
Ma'am, 100, ma'am. I know this.
okay.
Got this.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think 4 by 9.
Ma'am, 2 by 5
is greater. 2 by 4 by 9, ma'am. 4 by 9.
I think Gohit may have recharged now. He have
2
eaten
by
something.
5 is greater than 4 by 9.
Rohit, run your mind.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
4 by 9 is greater.
4 by 9 is greater. 2 by 5 is
2 by 5 is
2 by 5, ma'am.
2
no,
by
no.
5, not 4 by 9. Because as you multiply 2 into 9, it is 18, and 5 into 4, which is 20. So 20 is greater than 18. So 2 by
This
5
is your homework. This is your homework. You all are wrong. Actually,
can do for this
Ma'am, we
LCM.
have to multiply 2 by 5 and 4 by 9.
yeah, we are getting 8 by 45. Now I am saying which number will be greater. This number, if I say it is A, it is B, it is C. Which number would be greater?
Ma'am, 8 by 45.
By 45. Yeah.
2 by 5 will be greater. This is the correct answer. Okay, check it. This is your homework. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Ma'am, 2 by 5 is the greater.
yeah,
Yeah, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
you multiply this
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
equalize the
2 by 5,
numerator.
I don't know, ma'am. We should do like that pizza one, and we should
Wait.
pizza one.
Pizza one. See,
Ma'am, we should divide.
what is the concept you have to learn actually? If I multiply the whole number, okay. If I multiply a whole number, then
Ma'am, yeah,
multiplication
actually, I
result.
was like converting into decimal form and then comparing it.
Yeah, that is the good. That is good. Now Gohit started working. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, then when I did that, it says 2 by 5 is greater because in decimal form 0.4.
Yeah. So, okay, that's why I have given you this as a homework, because since then we will learn a decimal number, then you can apply that concept here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now come to the next part. Okay.
Ma'am,
Do this question fast. Last question. Last question. Yeah, do it.
You can divide this call, like, you know. You can divide this call.
Do this question. Sushant reads 1/3 part of a book in 1 hour. Okay. 1/3
Ma'am, I
part
got
of
the answer, ma'am.
11 by 15.
Ma'am, he reads he reads 11 by 15.
Yes, ma'am, 11 by 15 book.
2.2 by 5 hours.
Wait. Sushant read
We
1/3
convert
part
it to
of book
mixed
in 1 hour.
We should convert into mixed fraction, which is 11 by 5, and 11 by 5 into 1 by 3, which will be 11 by 15.
11 by 5 divided by
Now divided by into 1 by 3.
into 1 by 3. It would be 11 by
15. 11 by 15.
Okay. So how have you done this? See,
Just by first converting into improper fraction and then multiplying
wait.
with the
What is the concept
order.
here? What is the concept? Let other two understand. See what happened. What we have done here, children. Sushant read 1/3 part of book in 1 hour. Okay. So in 1 hour, he reads 1/3 part. Okay. In this much of hour, how many parts of book will he read? Okay. So 1 hour he reads 1/3 part. So 2 into 1 by 5 hour, that will be 11 by 5 hour. In 11 by 5 hour, he will read 11 by 5 into 1 by 3 part. That's it. Simple multiplication. 11 by 15. Or you can convert this into mixed fraction. Okay.
That is 11 by 4, I think, right?
Yeah, correct. Now come to the next.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am, Shivaprana?
Ma'am, the time is up.
Ma'am, 21 by 10, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the last
up.
important question. This will surely come in your exam. Now, this is very good question.
Ma'am, should we do as a homework?
No, no. Please do it now.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I know this now.
And after that, I will take your attendance. Then you may leave. Okay.
Ma'am, I think 3 by 10 centimeters.
How much?
3 by 10 centimeters.
3 by 10. Okay.
Ma'am, 9 by 4.
One is getting 3 by 10. One is
Ma'am,
getting 9 by 5.
3 by 10.
Other one?
Ma'am, it is 9 by 4, not 9 by
9
3
by
by
4. Anyone else?
Ma'am, 3 by 10.
3 by 10. Okay. 3 by 10. 2 people.
Ma'am, Shivaprana.
2 people are getting 3 by 10.
Ma'am, 2 1 by 4.
2 1 by 4. Means 9 by 4. 2
Yeah.
people are getting 9 by 4. I think 9 by 4 would be the correct one. But
Yes,
I don't
ma'am,
know.
9 by 4.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. 3 by 10 is the answer, but I.
3 by?
Ma'am,
Three.
3 by 10 is the answer, I think.
No.
Ma'am, it is.
See, 4 sapling. This is the 1 sapling. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. Okay. These are the sapling in a line. Okay. The
Ma'am,
distance.
so we should multiply 3 by 4 meters
distance
by.
between 2 sapling is 3 by 4. Okay. So find the distance between first to the last. First to the last. Between 2 it is 3 by 4. It again between these two it will be 3 by 4. Between these two it will be.
Ma'am, so it will be 9 by.
So total
Yeah,
is
total
is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Or you can say 3 into 3 by 4, which will be 9 by 4. That's
Yeah.
it.
And
Okay.
in mixed fraction, it is.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you give one more question?
No.
Time
I
is
think
up.
it is over. And now give your attendance, please. Shiva, present. You may leave.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Ritvik,
Present, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
okay,
Have
you
a
may
nice
leave.
day.
Aisha,
Present, ma'am.
you may leave. Chaitanya,
Present, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye.